Thankfully, we're not living in a sci-fi movie, but if you did have to take down killer robots, chances are you'd be using Python, the language that powers AI and machine learning. Python is behind some pretty cool technology, from self-driving cars to face recognition and the Internet of Things. It's easy to see why Python is one of the most popular and fastest growing languages in the world. Welcome to the Python Mini Degree, your path to becoming an industry-ready Python developer. This mini degree features a collection of premium courses that cover Python's most in-demand applications. You'll start with the basics of how to code in Python, which you'll learn by making a game, before moving on to more advanced topics. You'll learn from world-class instructors, elite developers who are active in the industry, and who have been recognized for their demonstrated excellence in development and teaching. At Zenva, we taught programming to over 500,000 students who have used these skills to improve their careers, start new companies, or publish games and applications. We want all of our students to succeed. If you get stuck, there's a discussion area where you can ask questions, meet other students, and showcase your work. Upon completion of the mini degree, you'll be awarded with a certificate, which can be verified via URL and imported to your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching. We look forward to having you on board.